Here are some popular Hindi muhavre along with their English meanings. Naak katna, to lose one's honor or reputation. Example: if you fail the exam, it will bring shame to the family. आसमान के तारे तोड़ना, to achieve the impossible. Example: he dreams of achieving the impossible. सांप के मुंह में छुछुंदर, a situation where neither action is possible nor avoidance. Example: he's stuck in a tricky position like a snake with a mongoose in its mouth. चादर से बाहर पैर फैलाना, to leave beyond one's means. Example: don't spend more than you earn, don't stretch your feet beyond the blanket. मुंह में घी शक्कर, to wish for only good things to happen to someone. Example: may your success grow gradually and sweetly like ghee and sugar melted in the mouth. दोनों हाथों से लूटना, to exploit or rob excessively. Example: the vendors took advantage and looted us with both hands during the festival. खुद की ढोल पीटना, to boast about oneself. Example: stop beating your own drum and let other appreciate you. आगे कुआ पीछे खाई, to be stuck between two difficult choices. Example: he's in a situation where there is a well ahead and a ditch behind. नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, blaming others for one's own shortcomings. Example: he failed but blames the system. Typical of someone who doesn't know how to dance and blame the courtyard. घर का भेदी लंका ढाए, an insider can bring the downfall of their own group. Example: the company's failure was due to an insider leaking secrets, just like Lanka's downfall. बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद, a person who doesn't appreciate the value of something. Example: a monkey cannot understand the taste of ginger. अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. Regret is useless after the damage is done. Example: what's the use of crying over spilled milk? होथा चना बाजे घना. Empty vessels make the most noise. Example: people who talk the most often have the least to offer. 9 2 11 होना, to run away quickly. Example: the thief disappeared in no time. ढाक के तीन पात, no change in the situation despite efforts. Example: after all this effort, the results are still the same. आसमान से गिरे खजूर में अटके, to escape one problem only to fall into another. Example: out of the frying pan and into the fire. सिर मुंडाते ही ओले पड़ना, to face problems as soon as you start something. Example: he started his business and immediately run into losses. ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा, too little to meet the need. Example: the aid provided is like cumin in a camel's mouth, too little to matter. चिता से चूल्हा ठंडा भला, it's better to stay hungry than to earn dishonestly. Example: it's better to live honestly than to live with guilt. बगल में छुरी मुंह में राम राम, pretending to be innocent while harboring bad intentions. Example: he's like a person with a knife in his hand and a chant on his lips. अंधों में काना राजा, a one-eyed man is king among the blind. Example: in a group of incompetent people, even a slightly capable person is considered the best. खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे. A frustrated person vents their anger on something irrelevant. Example: he lost the debate and started blaming the audience, like a frustrated cat scratching a post. गांठ का पूरा, Someone who is financially self reliant. Example, he never borrows money. He is financially self sufficient. Dal mein kala, something suspicious or fishy. Example, this strange behavior makes me think there's something fishy in the matter. खून का प्यासा, bloodthirsty or extremely vengeful. Example, he became bloodthirsty after his friend's betrayal. ऊंची दुकान फीके पकवान, all show no substance. Example, the restaurant looks fancy but the food is tasteless. आटे दाल का भाव मालूम होना, to understand the harsh realities of life. Example, he realized the cost of living once he moved out of his parents' house. थाली का बैंगन, a person who changes sides frequently. Example, he supports whoever is in power, like an eggplant rolling in a plate. मुंह में पानी आना, to feel tempted or crave something. Example, just thinking about the delicious cake makes my mouth water. आग बबूला होना, to become extremely angry. Example, he became furious when he found out about the betrayal. हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या, something so obvious that it needs no explanation. Example, the success of his project is visible. There is no need for proof. बिल्ली के भाग्य से छींका टूटा, unexpected good fortune. Example, he won the lottery purely by luck, like a cat benefiting from a fallen hanging food basket. 9-2-11 होना, to disappear quickly or flee. Example, as soon as the police arrived, the thief vanished into thin air. कान का कच्चा, someone who easily believes rumors and gets influenced. Example, don't listen to him, he is gullible and believes everything he hears. नानी याद आना, to face extreme trouble or difficulty. Example, the intense workout was so hard, it made me feel like calling my grandmother. Chori or Sina Jori, to be unapologetic after committing a wrongdoing. Example, he stole the money and now accuses others. That's a case of stealing and being defined. डूबते को तिनके का सहारा, a drowning man catches at a straw. Example, after months of searching for a job, even this small offer gave him hope, like a straw to a drowning man. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं, barking dogs seldom bite. Example, he talks big about taking action, but he never does anything. Those who thunders rarely rain. बिल्ली के गले में घंटी कौन बांधे? Who will take the first step in a risky situation? Example, everyone agrees the new boss should be confronted, but who will build the kit? एक अनार 100 बीमार. Too many peoples competing for one opportunity. Example, there is only one seat available and hundreds of applicants. It's like one pomegranate and 100 sick people. गधे को घोड़ा बनाने की कोशिश, trying to make something ordinary seem extraordinary. Example, his team is presenting the failed project as a hug success. It's like trying to make a donkey look like a horse. जो बोओगे वही काटोगे. You reap what you sow. Example, if you work hard, you will achieve success. बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है. Little drops make the mighty ocean. Example, by saving little by little, you can accumulate a big fortune for the future. सुबह का भूला अगर शाम को लौट आए तो उसे भूला नहीं कहते. If the final result is good, all mistakes are forgiven. Example, all thought the project faced challenges in the beginning, it succeed in the end. All's well that ends well. लोहे को लोहे से काटते हैं. To beat strength, you need equal or greater strength. Example,
To fight a cunning person, you need equal cleverness. Diamond cuts diamond. समय पर किया गया काम ही सही होता है. Solving a problem early prevents it from becoming worse. Example: if you study on time, you will not face problems in the exam. A stitch in a time saves nine. Thank you for watching my video.